Howdy. We are maybe talking about pyrolusite because it looks like that. I don't have any laboratory confirmation for that or whatsoever. And it's not pure pyrolusite. Pyrolusite is a mineral consisting essentially of manganese dioxide, MnO2, and is important as an ore of manganese. It is black, amorphous appearing mineral often with a granule, fibrous, or columnar structure, sometimes forming a reniform crust. It has a metallic luster, a black or bluish-black streak, and readily soils the fingers. The specific gravity is about 4.8. Its name is from the Greek for fire and to wash, in reference to its use as a way to remove taints from glass. Occurrence: pyrolusite and romachinite are among the most common manganese minerals. Pyrolusite occurs associated with manganite, hollandite, hausmannite, brownite, chalcophanite, geothite, goethite, maybe it's from Goethe, and hematite under oxidizing conditions in hydrothermal deposits. It also occurs in blocks and often results from alternation of manganite. There we have a Wikipedia picture of it. Here we have some pictures from self-collected samples. This might be pyrolusite. It might be also a mixture, so it's not pure pyrolusite. Or however you spell that word. There's also quartz and stuff maybe in that. And here, I think this could have been exactly the same material, it's just worn down. And on the plasma rock site, there you can see that mineral in many places. And the pebble I showed you, it was found on the plasma rock site. That's for size comparison. There's a kit beside those rather big pebbles, which are very interesting. And you have places like these also. That's very interesting. This is also partially pyrolusite, I assume, since it has similar features. And notice the owl on my sleeve. Maybe it's not the owl itself. It might represent Venus. And the thunderbolts here on the sides and all kinds of triangles and just traditional patterns. That's the part of the rock. And it turned out that there was a loose piece on top of it. I think it's this one. Or maybe it's missing here. I don't remember. But it has similar features. You can see those crystal structures here. So I glued it to a glass. The lower one is already very thin, since there is missing part of the rock and you just can see the super glue. So that's where I started. It's rather thick, no light shining through. But after some grinding, this is light from top. It is very colorful. And it has similar crystallic features. That's a bigger resolution with the microscope, I guess the exact same spot. There is almost triangle visible. Yeah, which would be a platonic solid for the element of fire. Just saying. This is light from above. We can see all the colors. This is the same spot with light from below. You can see all the colors and you can see that there is light going through that rock. It's also rather thin. I don't have a picture yet. Yeah, it's so thin you cannot see it. How thin it is on a picture. I just wanted to share with you these few pictures. We have these rather elongated features in those crystalline structures. That's obviously a video. Because it's like I said already, yeah, phone drop. I just remembered that it dropped. But anyway, so we had a short video. Despite this being really thin, but it is still three-dimensional. Yeah. And here, there's that super glue. I don't know how those really round things were created, but it's not sharp, but it's very thin. Yeah, now it's sharper. You can see those crystalline structures, which are rather long compared to their size, because that's really small. They exhibit the similar features like the pyrolusite mineral. And I don't know what those round pebbles are. Maybe that's just some thing from the super glue, I guess. Air bubbles, probably. I have no idea. That's also not a too good picture, but I now finally managed to share these pictures so I can delete them. If anyone sees something very interesting, in one of those pictures, tell me. That's also rather round. So maybe these round pebbles are at the end, still from that stone. I don't know. Yeah, I had some problems last time with the light. There was some reflection thing going on for whatever reason. I don't know why. I couldn't figure out what's the cause, how to put it away or whatsoever. Yeah. These aren't probably too much groundbreaking pictures, since I didn't really have time for that. But now, since I have these pieces, and I probably work still a bit on those to get them even a little bit thinner. I've found a new technique how it's much more efficient, but turned out it has been too efficient, so half of the piece is grinded away already. You can just see the parts of the super glue, but there is no rock left. And I'm preparing more of these kind of thin slices because they are very interesting to watch under the microscope. Yes, there's actually a short video. Let's see if the camera stays. just for you to see how sometimes it's difficult to get it sharp because there's, the height difference between one side and the other of this very thin slice creates, no, how to put it? It's not difficulties, but you have to decide where to stop with zooming and stuff. It's not easy, but it's very, very interesting. Maybe we have been looking at pyrolusite under a microscope. Pyrolusite mixed with iron, the red color. But anyway, this was the thing I just wanted to show you. Now I can delete the pictures because I have the piece at home. I can watch it whenever I want to. Thanks. Bye.